Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about Buzz TV promo codes, either like they're working and how can you find them. So first of all, Buzz TV is just a video player, not any kind of streaming platform. That means if I read the description what they have given, important note, Buzz TV does not provide any media content, IPTV subscriptions or channel codes. That means that Buzz TV is just a video player. You can use your own streaming platforms like other streaming platforms, download your videos or use the Buzz TV to connect to that streaming platform and you can just play the video content inside that Buzz TV. So that means that Buzz TV is just a source to connect you to your streaming platform, and that is all about Buzz TV. So you cannot actually find a subscription or any kind of promo codes option inside the Buzz TV because that does not offer any kind of subscription. That is just a streaming, you can say the platform, video streaming with versatile features and support all formats. As you can read about it, this is just a video player, not any kind of like player which has or its own content or own subscriptions. So that is all about the Buzz TV. So if you are looking for any kind of promo codes, so make sure don't waste your time, and you just need to use the Buzz player as a streaming platform, as not as a streaming platform, but just as a video player. A user must add their own content via M3U links or extreme codes or FG links, as you can read the description as well. So that's all about it.